Ayan, titingin po tayo ng mga paborito natin. Original glaze. Ayan, ang sarap naman ito guys. Ayan, buy 10, get 2 free. Ayan yung Krispy Kreme guys. Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme donuts. Ayan, mapapatakam ka talaga sa sarap nito guys dahil iba-ibang pong flavor. Speculoos, cookie butter, chocolate Oreo, pink fantasy, chocolate cream, cookie crunch, chocolate ice glass, strawberry snow, Boston pie, yan matcha, green tea, fabulous sprinkles. Madami po niyang ingredients guys. Yeah, so nice.